This is the second supplement to the instructional video. Today, 13 December 2015, I'm distributing Release Candidate 1 for version 3.0 of apoplexy. Since the first supplement video, apoplexy has moved to SDL version 2 and a lot of new features have been added. Full screen options, XML importing, Xbox controller support and so on. And, as you can see, in addition to Prince of Persia 1 for DOS, it can now also edit POP2 for DOS and POP1 for SNES levels. Most POP2 exclusive screens are fairly self-explanatory, like its background screen for runes and its background screen for temple environments, its guard screen, and its music screen. Therefore, this video focuses on POP1 for SNES. I will now complete 6 tasks to help you understand some of its more complicated functionalities. If you feel adventurous or want a challenge, pause the video after I give each task description and try to figure out what to do yourself first. Task 1. In level 1, warp and teleport to the sword. Okay, we're already in level 1. Now there's a warp potion and its tooltip says the target destination can be changed on the axis screen. The axis screen can be accessed by clicking the small axis icon or by using F2 on the keyboard. A similar screen is also available for POP1 for DOS. This is where we need to be, the target destination of the warp potion. Now, what destination does it need to have? If we go to the room links screen, you will see that the print starts in room 23, moves all the way down to room 21. So room 21 is where the sword is. Bottom row facing left should be okay, save. And now we still need to place the potion, the warp potion. We did it! Alright, teleport to the sword. There are 2 teleport options, a regular tile and a tile with an arch, so a door here. We'll use that one. We'll use event 1 and we now need to go to the room with the sword to place an exit. So the teleport exit, as long as we use the same number here, the event number, we should be okay. Save. Sweet success. Alright, task 2. In level 2, fight an immortal orange enemy who looks like the prince. Level 2. There's already an enemy here. So this enemy needs to be immortal orange and needs to look like the prince. If this enemy needs to be orange, then the prince also needs to be orange. So let's do that first. Go to this screen here. Level 2 is one of the regular levels, not level 10, 11 or 12. It's also not floating. That means that we can change this level by using the left mouse button, the regular prince. And there are several orange princes. Let's go with this one, 63, save. Now the prince is okay, and now this guard still needs to be immortal and orange, and needs to look like the prince. Let's go to the axis screen. If you look at the status bar, it says silver skeletons always have infinite hit points. Bronze skeletons always fall after 1 hit and so on. We can use a silver skeleton because it has infinite hit points. That means it's immortal. Silver skeleton. Okay, now it's immortal. Now it still needs to look like the prince. Go to the axis screen. Go to the palette. And we picked 63. the shape, the sprite, also needs to be like the prince. There, save the level. There we go. Task number 3. In level 3, place a stuck jumper and unstick it. Level 3. This one actually already has a jumper, so we can click this one, then it's selected and then we can change it. This section here is about stuck tiles. It's currently not stuck. You can make it stuck, can make it harmful or harmless. Let's go for harmful first. And we need to be able to unstick it. We place a raise button. We'll put a prince here. And this raise button needs to trigger this stuck tile. So it's in room 6. Over here. Save. Okay, it's stuck. There we go. And we could have also used the harmless stuck jumper. Save. See? There, activated. Task number 4. In level 9, use an animated background and remove a ceiling. In level 9. Alright, let's see. Okay, I will use this room, and we need to use an animated background. These yellow rectangles here mean that these backgrounds are part of animation groups. For example, this one here is part of animation group 23. That means if you use this background, it will alternate between this background and this background. I will fill the entire room with this background. Now I still need to remove the ceiling. This is room 7. We go to the room links, broken room links. Room 7 is here. Indeed, there is a ceiling now, but we want to make it an outdoor room, that there's no ceiling. You can right click or left click to loop through these room numbers, or make it a ceiling or an outdoor room. So I will right click here. That's the easiest solution now, and as you can see, it's now an outdoor section. Launch. There we go. Task 5. In level 10, change a teleport marker and use teleport triggers. Level 10. This is an interesting task. If you go to the tile screen, then you will see that the teleport marker section is currently disabled. So how can you change or even use a teleport marker? The reason this is disabled is because you are currently in the lava environment. So what we need to do first is move away from lava. I will clear all the tiles and the backgrounds. This icon here allows you to change the environment type. We're now on lava, now we're in green. If you look here now suddenly we can use the teleport marker. We'll place a floor. We can pick a teleport marker, for example this one. Place a teleport door. And if we now click the marker, then I can also change it to, for example, a circle. There we go. Save. As you can see, the heat haze is currently enabled. You can go to the axis screen, disable the haze. We'll also disable the music. There. The second part of this task is to use teleport triggers. Clear the room. And put in some regular teleport tiles. Place the prince here. What these tiles say, the tooltip, is entering triggers its northwest tile, exiting north. This means that if we go northwest and put a raise button here, I will use event 2 for this, then entering this teleport will trigger this raise button. If you exit this teleport, it will trigger this raise button. It worked. Alright. Last task, number 6. Task 6. In level 16, use some fake tiles. Level 16. Let's clear this room. Alright, so the tiles here are all fake tiles. If I use, for example, this tile, it looks like a wall in the editor and also in game, but it is actually a floor. I will give another example. There we go.